property managers, facility managers, and real estate agents are always faced with last-minute dramas of damage to property and repairs and maintenance. Getting trades to turn up on time. Often, the assets are left unprotected or unsecured when the garage roller door breaks down and/or is stuck open. Or someone has broken and/or disabled a front door to the building complex. And of course the building manager are dealing with the chairperson or the tenant's representatives about the security of the building. The solution is to have a security guard arrive on site as soon as possible to make sure that only authorised tenants or tradespersons can enter the property. Often, this is for overnight for 24 hours at least, until the repairs can be made. Having a security guard on-site with signage and bollards to inform the public of the hazards and have a visual appearance is the services we all look for.